This is the 2015 Ford F-150, and people literally called it the truck made out of beer cans. Ford took a massive gamble in the 2010s. After decades of steel frames dominating the truck world, they made a bold decision: switch the F-150's body to military-grade aluminum. It was lighter, more fuel-efficient, and promised better performance. But it was also one of the most controversial moves in pickup history. The idea was simple. By shedding hundreds of pounds, Ford trucks could tow more, haul more, and burn less fuel. In an era of rising gas prices and stricter efficiency standards, this was Ford's way of keeping its crown while adapting to a changing market. The reaction, however, was mixed. Critics mocked the idea. Rivals ran commercials showing steel balls denting aluminum beds. Truck purists swore it would never last. Some even claimed the F-150 would lose its reputation for toughness. But the numbers told a different story. The aluminum F-150 proved stronger and more capable than ever. Payload ratings went up, towing capacity increased, and despite the early jokes, sales kept climbing. Ford silenced critics the only way that mattered, by staying America's best-selling truck. Inside, the F-150 kept moving toward luxury. High-tech features like touch screens, driver assist systems, and premium interiors blurred the line between work truck and luxury SUV. By the late 2010s, owning an F-150 wasn't just about hauling and towing, it was about status. Looking back, the aluminum gamble didn't just succeed, it changed the industry. Rivals like Chevy and Ram had to respond, updating their own designs to compete. What started as a risky experiment became another turning point that kept Ford ahead of the pack. And today, those first aluminum F-150s hold a special place in truck history. They mark the moment Ford redefined toughness, not by adding weight, but by proving that innovation and durability could go hand in hand. This is just one part of the F-Series story. We're creating a full video series on the history of trucks, from the first post-war F1s to the electric F-150 Lightning. If you're a truck fan or a history lover, subscribe so you don't miss the next video in the series.